pinaka-affordable na DTPi dashcam with a screen versus pinaka-affordable na 4K resolution DTPi dashcam. Compare natin ng mabilisan tong DTPi N2 at DTPi N5 dashcam. Sa similarities, parehas silang dual dashcam. Ibig sabihin, may front at rear camera pareho. Syempre, DTPi, so both dashcams are powered by durable and heat-resistant supercapacitor batteries. Parehas din silang may advanced driver assist features, 24-hour sparking monitor hardwire kit compatible, at may night vision technology. Although, mas updated version ang nasa N2 Dual dahil AI Night Viz 2.0 na ang gamit dito. Ngayon, sa pagkakaiba naman, itong newly released na DTPi N2 Dual may built-in 1.9-inch IPS display. It's the most affordable DTPi dashcam with a built-in screen. Habang itong N5 Dual naman, walang built-in screen. Pero sa resolution naman bumawi ang N5 Dual. Sa DTPi N2 Dual kasi, 2K ang resolution, habang 4K Ultra HD naman ang sa N5 Dual. And these videos can conveniently be viewed and replayed through the DTPi app. Again, the DTPi N5 Dual is the most affordable 4K resolution DTPi dashcam. Bukod sa resolution, lamang din sa added premium features ang N5 Dual. Meron itong built-in backup SD card for the D2 Dual Safe technology, GPS, tapos if purchased with a radar kit, may added features pa gaya ng AI motion detection at radar detector. So in summary, if you're looking for a budget dashcam that offers front and back camera protection, great 2K resolution, at prefer mo o kailangan mo ang may screen, go for the DTPi N2 Dual. Ngayon, kung gusto mo naman ng added premium features, backup memory card, superb 4K resolution, at hindi mo naman talaga kailangan ng may screen, then itong DTPi N5 Dual ang marirecommend ko sa iyo. For the updated price at para makasiguradong sa official DTPi store kayo makakabili, just click the yellow basket o yung product link sa description. Drive safe and God bless!